Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin, right? Because someone has asked me to talk about Litecoin as well, and we're going to talk about the charts on Bitfenix because I'm going to give Bitfenix another try, and that's for the simple fact that soon they will upgrade their service. They will make the security better, they make a lot of things better, right, on the whole platform. So why not give it another try, right? Now I know there's a big step there because not everyone has 10k. 10k is the minimum that you need to put on there if you want to trade. After you put 10k on there, you can take it off again, etc. But anyways, I do have that, so I'm just going to try it, right? See what Bitfenix can do for me. It's because it's simply better than BitMEX and Kraken, I think, because there's so many pairs you can trade, right? You're not just stuck at Bitcoin, Ethereum and EOS. I think BitMEX doesn't really have a whole lot more to offer. It also has Ripple, but everything's also compared to the Bitcoin, so you can never be safe and sit in US dollar, right? So anyways guys, let's go and take a look at these charts here. Alright, so we're looking at Bitfenix, like I said. So starting off with Bitcoin on the 4-hour here, you can make a simple trend line here, where you can see that, you know, we're still holding it. We're basically in this symmetrical triangle. That's for all the pairs that I'm going to talk about. So, you know, let's take a Fibonacci from swing low to this swing high. Okay, see if you got in. Okay, so you know, it came very close to the 618 here. Okay, so also close to your trend line here, so you know you could have taken this trade for sure. Also based on this old you know, this old support here, you know, and it's support here again, right? It was resistance here, also support, and it just becomes it again, right? We're very close to an apex point, guys. Something's going to happen, so just wait patiently, and whether we go down, then we'll short it. If we go up, we'll long it, right? That's just how we play it, right, guys? So is Bitcoin the best one to play, or are there better ones, right? That's the question you should have as well. So we're just going to look at certain things, right? So we take the Fibonacci trend-based Fib extension here, take the low, take the top swing here, then the new low, right around here, and a 1-to-1 would get us to about 4.8k. It's also lining up with the negative 382. So we definitely have an area right here. So how much is that, right? Let's say we break out of here, we actually get above the 100 EMA or something like that, right? But if we just go from where we are right now, how much is this really, right? How much are we looking at? Okay, so 25%. Okay, so we got that established. Let's take a look at the other pairs as well, right? So once again, also guys, I hope you all had a great New Year's, right? Obviously, right, this is the first day into 2019, so you know, I just hope you are all doing good. So let's take a look here at Ethereum, right? So obviously we had this run up here. You can also see we basically went almost to the 618. Just the 100 EMAs, I mean the 200 EMAs, sorry. 200 EMAs, guys, sorry. It's very nice to be bounced on, right? So we went a little bit under it, sure. But then we went higher, right? So how much can this one give us, right? So we're going to look at that as well. So we'll take our trend-based Fib extension from this low here up to the high, back to the low, right around here. We get a 1-to-1 around 197, so about $200. How much is that, right? Where we are right now. Boom, that will get us like 37%, so that's a whole lot better, right? So Ethereum so far is our #1 choice to pick, all right, on the breakout. The same thing will go for if it goes down, because you know, if it goes down, your first target is right around here, 16%, and you know, who knows, it can go way further down, right? But anyways, just wait patiently for something to happen here. You cannot just be I wouldn't want to trade here right now because it's the end of the apex. Okay, so Litecoin, let's see what's going on here. We'll take our swing low, 2-hour swing high, right? And it went very nicely into the golden pocket here, and then, you know, back up. So if you took that trade, well, where would you get out, right? Well, it's very simple. You take your swing high to your swing low, and you look to get out at the 618 once again, and you get out, and you know, and now you're just looking for a re-entry. So let's see where this one would go. Okay, so we take our trend-based fib extension here once again, take our swing low, take our swing high, back to our swing low, right around here, and we'll take 1-to-1's around $43. So let's see how much is that from where we are right now. That will get us about 33%. So Ethereum is obviously our winner, right? Ethereum is our winner percentage-wise, then Litecoin, and then Bitcoin, right? No surprise there, really. It's always the altcoins are always doing better percentage-wise, right? So that is just kind of how it is. But like I said, guys, for all of these, just wait patiently for us to get out of this you know, tight consolidation, because then we will get another leg up, and you know, it will obviously look something like what we saw here, right? So it will be impulsive, not very corrective like it is all here. This is all very corrective action, right? You know, this, you could say there's a little impulse here, but it's all pretty corrective, right? So on the hourly, you can see basically we got rejected here. On Ethereum, we got rejected there as well, and on Bitcoin, we didn't even get there, right? So Bitcoin's actually looking pretty bearish. Bitcoin will lead it, guys. Whether, you know, even though it's the lowest percentage-wise, if Bitcoin breaks down, that means the others will break down as well, right? It's that simple, right, guys? So anyways, guys, I really hope you had a great New Year's, a great Christmas, etc., right? And you know, let's hope that 2019 will bring us a bullish year instead of a bearish year. Before I end this video, guys, I just quickly want to go over the monthlies here. So we're looking at the monthlies, right? Let's take a look here, and we're just going to hide our drawing tool so we kind of see where we are. So we had this bullish, can we say this bullish? We had this doji here, right? Almost a doji on the monthly. If we look back in history, dojis are pretty good, right? So we had a doji here, then we got a rally, right? So yeah, take it as it is. We could definitely get a rally up to 5.5 as well, or maybe, you know, all the way back up. Who knows, right? That's just kind of how it is, guys. All right. So just be wary of the monthly here. The weeklies, we're also going to look at the weeklies here. We also had this bullish weekly. Now we have like a consolidation, a little flag, and then, you know, another swing up, perhaps, right? So that's the monthly and the weekly for Bitcoin. Now we'll go for Ethereum here. Ethereum had a nice monthly here, right? Obviously very bullish. So you can only expect another bullish month, right? So, you know, because this one definitely ended bullish, right? And the weekly here are very bullish, then bullish. Not much of a correction here at all. So yeah, it's looking good. So now, last but not least, we'll look at Litecoin here. Bullish monthly as well, like a little doji, just like Bitcoin. So could be a reversal, very well could be, right? Then let's take a look at the weekly here. You know, this one looks actually very much like Bitcoin, right? We had a bullish one, and then kind of like consolidation, right, to make a flag for another one. I think we call this a morning star here. So that is a bullish pattern, right? So yeah, it's looking pretty good for all the coins, guys. But keep in mind that, you know, the drawings that we drew here is very much into a fact that we do need to break out of it, right? If you want to be bullish, and if we want to be bearish, we need to break down, right? That's kind of how it is. So and obviously when you do break out, you do have this 200 EMA sitting here, which is, you know, we need to get above that as well. So, you know, it's all it's not all set in stone yet, right? So it's kind of where we are. All right, so just follow your triangles here for now, and don't make any trades, and just wait for the decision to be made by the other people that are trading this consolidation, and then take your trade for your impulse wave up or your impulse wave down, right? So just wait for that, guys. And if you do want to trade, well, where do you want to go long, right? You want to go long somewhere around here. Where do you want to go short? You want to go short somewhere around up here, right? So, you know, it's that simple, right? But I would definitely not want to trade this tight consolidation. It can give you like 6%, sure, but we are very close to the end here. So, yeah, I would just wait for a decision to be made. All right, guys. Anyways, that's it, guys. That's it for this video. Also, I have a Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Pygoz. Check it out for yourself. Check out if you want to become a Patreon yourself. And yeah, I'd appreciate if you do. All right. Also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any questions, can ask other people questions. And it's just a great chat box to be in, right? Let's see what's going on here. Here we go. We had some charts here. Very, I don't know. It's like on the phone. Wabi. I would not look so much into these weird altcoins yet, guys. I mean, if you want to trade them, go ahead. But I would be looking more at the stronger pairs for now. So at your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, maybe Ripple. You know, look at the bigger ones. Then once we get a bullish trend on Bitcoin going, we can definitely trade altcoins again on Binance. For now, I wouldn't just do that. Alright, so anyways, guys, join up with that. Also join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post on my videos, post about upcoming ICOs, not so much anymore, guys. STOs is going to be it for the new year. They're security tokenized, you know, security tokens, right? Basically, you kind of own a little stock. You know, you own a little security into a company. So that is the difference, really. I don't know much about it at all, but I think that's kind of how it works. So, and that's gonna be the new hype, right? That's gonna be the new hype. So just wait for that. But right now, when the market's not bullish yet, don't buy into anything. All right, just trade. Have small, you know, small scale trades that last maybe like a day or two, sometimes only like a few hours. It depends, right? But yeah, just look for that. All right, guys, so join up with that as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.